What is smart grid? A smart grid is an intelligent, digitalized energy network delivering electricity in an optimal way from source to consumption. This is achieved by integrating information, telecommunication, and power technologies with existing electricity system. The benefits of smart grid include improved efficiency and reliability of electricity supply, integration of more renewable energy into existing networks, supporting the development of electric vehicles at scale, new solutions for customers to optimize their electricity consumption, reduction of carbon emissions.
So, what is 5G? So, 5G is the fifth generation of wireless data network and it will improve them far more than 4G or 3G ever could. You will feel it in your phone, your home, your car, and in the city and town around you. Downloads and streaming should happen literally without delay. Cars will talk to each other to prevent collision. An unethered, augmented, and virtual reality can finally be achieved with real-time response. Not to mention the industrial benefits like remote surgery or drone control. 5G does its magic with three key abilities. First, high bandwidth. 4G could only muster about 200 megabits per second of data throughput on a good day. 5G can handle up to 1 gigabyte or more than that's 1000 megawatt a second. Low latency. 4G suffers from 100 millisecond or so in response delay or latency. 5G reactions time can be as slow as 1 millisecond, which makes everything happen virtually instantly. Dense connections. In a given square kilometer, 4G could only manage to connect about 1/10 the amount of 5G can.
Within the ongoing energy regulations towards smart grids and renewables, advanced technologies are required to ensure the safety and reliability of power distribution, protection, and control. Evolving 5G technology provides a foundation for new grid applications and services to be developed. By interconnecting devices through secure, reliable, and low latency wireless communication infrastructure, the design and operation of smart grids will reach a new dimension. One of the most demanding communication-based protection principles is line differential protection. Distributed along the medium voltage line, relays exchange measurement of currents with each other. All the relays compare the values independently, alarm in case of differences, and initiate the de-energization of the line section due to fault. Traditionally, locating the fault on the line has required heavy amounts of manual labor, causing power outages to last a long time. With centralized fault location, the problem can be located in satellites. Cost-effective merging units along the power line publish the digitized voltage and current measurements to centralized smart substation devices. We compute the fault location, initiate the required action. To ensure reliable energy supply, flexibility is essential in maintaining the balance between generation and consumption.
A new method utilizes telecommunication network multicast services in transferring control messages to a large amount of geographically scattered devices in distribution grids. This can provide short response times and flexible deployment of demand response control. Transition toward use of modern wireless communication technologies in power system requires years of studies, prototyping, and testing. One such example can be seen in Otaniami, where one has built a pilot environment for testing 5G network in power system protection and control. The testbed contained relays, merging units, and smart substation devices, supplemented by video and sensor equipment. A real-time simulator enables emulating various power system architectures in fault scenarios. The 5G test network and multi-point quality of service measurement system provide a platform for testing communication applications under realistic conditions. The pilot environment enables developing new edge and AI solutions, as well as hybrid testing for grid and communications components in their prototype phase, bringing cost savings to product development.
Creating a more connected country comes with its challenge. One of those challenges is working out how to connect 5G radio access points, which could be radio mats or just small areas in the size of a building. Back to the internet. There are a large number of potential ways to achieve it, which includes fiber connection, microwaves, and satellite. But it's all made more complicated by the type of spectrum available for 5G, where low frequency radio waves are better for long distance connectivity. Much of the spectrum assigned to 5G is in the higher frequency, and for 5G to work in these higher frequency of radio wave, it has to travel much shorter distance as a result. One has to build many more radio locations such as lampposts to reach the area one is trying to connect. Five G security is another important aspect that should be considered. 5G uses the frequency spectrum, which is similar to other remote sensing devices. As a result, it may interfere with the satellites used by the weather forecaster or in the commercial aviation and disrupt their operations. Additionally, 5G can be used for surveillance. Snoopers can also use 5G to gather metadata in cases of mass surveillance. According to the research, 5G would result in exposure of vast amount of data due to its insufficient testing. The number of denials of service and the other attacks is also expected to increase. Due to 5G's higher speed and the latency, more operations will rely on internet connection. The Internet of Things IoT devices will also become even more widespread. As a result, we will become more vulnerable to attacks as there will be even more data traveling in the open and stored in the cloud servers.
Although there are so many uncertainties related to 5G, the overall benefits outnumber them, as incorporating 5G in smart grid solves many of its problems. Therefore, bringing 5G in smart grid creates even more hope to fulfill the rising needs of energy.